So you're welcome back once again to our page at Sholex Farms, where we rear catfish commercially for food consumption. So this is an ongoing physical training on how to properly smoke your catfish. Before going fully into the smoked catfish business, remember that it's another value chain under the catfish business on its own. So you need a proper training on how to properly smoke your catfish. When you are about to venture into this particular segment of catfish farming business, it's always ideal you learn from those that have done it in the past. There are so many things you need to really understand when it comes to the smoked catfish business. You need to know how to properly degut your fish. You need to know how to properly clean them up. You need to know how to properly fold your catfish. You need to properly know how to regulate your oven. There are so many things you need to learn. The small catfish business is not something you just rush into and say you want to do on your own. You will end up wasting your catfish and wasting so many resources at the end. So it's ideal you learn from those that are currently into the smoked catfish business. Try and invest in knowledge acquisition before you go into this segment of the catfish farming business. This value chain is very, very lucrative, just like the live catfish. It's very, very lucrative, but make sure you learn the process. Make sure you have an idea of how to properly market your smoked catfish, and you also need to learn how to properly package your catfish so as to entice your buyers. So in case you are interested in something like this, you ought to give us a call or send us a message. Thank you for watching to this video. Remember to share this video. Do enjoy the rest of it. Thank you.